Okay, we're on the last black key tonic major key, which is B flat major, and it's on page 273. There's just two flats in this key. It's an important key if you play with, for example, woodwind players. They are instruments that are in so-called B flat, the bore of the instrument, so clarinet, trumpet, some saxophones are in B flat. So it's a common key to play in if you end up being an accompanist. All right, so we're going to start with a 3 in the left, and then 4 goes over on the E flat. Right hand start with a 4. So it's just reverse. It's 3 in the left, 4 in the right, and then they flip 4 and 3. 3, 4, 4, 3. Your inversions are black, white, white. So it's B flat, D, F. And coming back. Always check, no matter what key you're in on inversions, that you're using a second finger when you play first inversion in the right, and a second finger when you're playing second inversion in the left. Okay, and last but not least, well, we have the chord progression is B flat, E flat is your 4 chord, and then F7. And then the very last thing is the arpeggio, and this is probably one of the trickier arpeggios. The left hand you're going to use traditional fingering. You'll see in the book is actually the fingering in the parentheses is traditional fingering 3, 2, 1. So I prefer that you use that. I'm not sure how it ended up being in parentheses. This one you'll definitely want to do some hand separate until you get the hang of it. Right hand is going to follow the black, white, black fingering, even though it's black, white, white. So it's 4, 1, 2. I would say fairly comfortable. Neither hand is uncomfortable. It's just that when you put them together, they're crossing at different times, which is the only arpeggio that does that. So you're crossing the right, and now you're crossing the left at a different time. So that's the difficulty of this arpeggio. Okay, so work carefully on B flat. It's a useful key and a tricky key.